Hi dear students, today I am going to explain you one question from arithmetic progression. The question is, the sum of the third and seventh terms of an AP is 6 and their product is 8. Their product means third and seventh terms product is 8. Find the sum of first 16 terms of the AP. AP means arithmetic progression. The solution is, let A be the first term and D be the common difference of the arithmetic progression AP. It is given that A3 plus A7 equals to 6. That means third term plus seventh term equals to 6. And A3 into A7 equals to 8. That means third term into seventh term equals to 8. Now, we know that nth term of an AP is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. And therefore, A3, that means third term, is equals to A plus 2D because 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2D. And A7, that means seventh term, equals to A plus 60. That means n minus 1, that means 7 minus 1 is 6. So it is 60. Now we are putting this value and then we get here A3 plus A7 equals to 6, and so in place of A3 we are writing A plus 2D plus, and in place of A7 we write A plus 60 equals to 6. Now here A plus 8 is 2A, 2D plus 60 is 8D, so 2A plus 6, 2A plus 8D equals to 6, and now 2 we are taking common, and then 2 into A plus 4D equals to 6. This implies A plus 4D equals to 6 by 2, that is equals to 3, and this implies A equals to 3 minus 4D. Now, this value, that is A equals to 3 minus 4D, we are putting in the second equation, and our second equation is A3 into A7 equals to 8. That means third term into seventh term is equals to 8. And in this we are putting the value of A. So this implies A3, in place of A3 we are writing A plus 2D into, and A7 in place of that we are writing to A plus 60 equals to 8. And now in place of A we are writing 3 minus 4D. So it becomes 3 minus 4D plus 2D into 3 minus 4D plus 60 equals to 8. And so here 3 minus 4D plus 2D, so it will be 3 minus 2D, and here it will be 3 plus 2D. So we get here 3 minus 2D into 3 plus 2D equals to 8. And now you know that A minus B into A plus B equals to A square minus B square. So since A plus B into A minus B equals to A square minus B square, and here A is 3, B is 2D. So 3 to the whole square minus 2D to the whole square equals to 8. And that is 9 minus 4D square equals to 8. And now this 4D square comes to right side and 8 comes left side. So 9 minus 8 equals to 4D square. And this implies 4D square equals to 1. That is, this implies D square equals to 1 by 4. And this implies D equals to a square root of 1 by 4. And you know that square root of 1 by 4 is always plus minus 1 by 2. That is, plus and minus both it will be. So now, case 1. When D equals to plus 1 by 2. So now we are putting the value of D equals to plus 1 by 2 in A equals to minus 3. A equals to 3 minus 4D. Then we get 3 minus 4 into 1 by 2. So 2 to the 4 it will be cancelled. So 3 minus 2, that is equals to 1. So A equals to 3 minus 2, that is 1. So the first term is 1. Therefore, sum of first 16 terms of the AP is equals to S16 equals to 16 by 2 into 2A plus 16 minus 1 into D. Since Sum of n terms is equals to Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula, and in this formula only we are putting the value. So here 16 by 2, that means 8, and 2 into a, so a is 1, so 2 into 1 plus 15 into, and d is 1 by 2, that is equals to 8 into 2y1 plus 15 by 2, that is equals to 8 into, here we find LCM, LCM is 1 and 2, LCM is 2, so 2 to the 4, so 4 plus 15 by 2, so 8 into 19 by 2, 8 into 19 by 2 equals to 2 4s are 8, it is cancelled, so 19 4s are 76. So sum of first 16 terms of the AP is 76 when D is plus 1 by 2. Now, case 2. In case 2, when D equals to minus 1 by 2, we are putting this value D equals to minus 1 by 2 in A minus 3 minus, A equals to 3 minus 4D, that is equals to 3 minus 4 into minus 1 by 2. 2 to the 4, it is being cancelled. And minus minus plus, so 3 plus 2 equals to 5. So here A equals to 5. And therefore in that case, sum of first 16 terms of the AP is equals to 16. That is equals to 16 by 2 into 2A plus 16 minus 1 into D. And that's equals to 8 into 2 into 5, because